Jamaica's limited burial space has become an increasing concern, and today, a new facility aimed at easing that pressure was officially opened. Details in this report.
A ribbon cut signals the start of operations at the Meadowrest Crematorium, a facility being positioned as part of the response to Jamaica's shrinking burial space. Wide shots show the new complex alongside existing burial grounds, rows of headstones underscoring the growing demand for land and the limits now being reached. Inside, the crematorium includes a viewing room where families can observe the process, a feature operators say is designed to provide transparency and closure. At the core of the facility is the cremation chamber or retort. During a demonstration, a styrofoam human form placed in a coffin-like box was used to explain how the system operates.
It's about using land responsibly. It is about it's about providing accessible options. And it is building a system that reflects the realities of modern Jamaica. Families deserve options, flexibility, private gathering spaces, and the option to witness the process, ensuring meaningful farewells.
Closed-circuit monitors provide live feeds from within and around the compound, part of measures aimed at maintaining oversight and operational accountability. Outside, the chimney and connected filtration systems form part of the emissions control infrastructure. Operators say these systems are designed to meet environmental standards.
The system operates at 1600 degrees. And Fahrenheit, actually. After burn, that's what we're looking at. At that temperature, smoke, odor, particulates are destroyed at over 99% efficiency before they leave the stock. This system uses smart technology that controls and adjusts each cycle by weight. So essentially, that prevents overfiring and cuts fuel costs by 10 to 15% compared to older manual systems.
Facilities like this would require an environmental permit because they fall within a prescribed category under the NRC regulations. So they would have conditions outlined in that permit that they would need to satisfy. As a condition of the permit, they would be required to monitor air quality. And if the air quality gets to a level where it exceeds the threshold, then they may require an air pollutant discharge license.
Cremation is increasingly being considered as an alternative to traditional burials, particularly as land becomes more limited. However, cultural and religious considerations continue to influence how quickly that shift takes place.
So it is ways of explaining things to people, giving them that it's a new way of doing original things, consistent with our space issue, our land use issue, but it can be done.
The opening of Meadowrest Crematorium adds to the country's capacity, and it also highlights a broader issue of how Jamaica will manage death care in the years ahead.